Bird's name in English and Hindi. Sparrow. Children, in English, sparrow. In Hindi, goraiya. Eagle. Children, in English, eagle. In Hindi, garud. Robin. Children, in English, robin. In Hindi, robin. Hawk. Children, in English, hawk. In Hindi, barge. Blue jay. Children, in English, blue jay. In Hindi, नील जय पक्षी. Kabutar. Children, in English, pigeon. In Hindi, kabutar. Cardinal. Children, in English, cardinal. In Hindi, cardinal pakshi. Finch. Children, in English, finch. In Hindi, finch pakshi. Osprey. Children, in English, osprey. In Hindi, osprey pakshi. Crow. Children, in English, crow. In Hindi, kawa. Pelican. Children, in English, pelican. In Hindi, pelicanas. Albatross. Children, in English, albatross. In Hindi, albatross pakshi. Seagull. Children, in English, seagull. In Hindi, seagull. Toucan. Children, in English, toucan. In Hindi, toucan. Owl. Children, in English, owl. In Hindi, ullu. Parrot. Children, in English, parrot. In Hindi, tota. Falcon. Children, in English, falcon. In Hindi, buzz. Lark. Children, in English, lark. In Hindi, lark pakshi. Magpie. Children, in English, magpie. In Hindi, magpie pakshi. Oriole. Children, in English, oriole. In Hindi, oriole pakshi. Gannet. Children, in English, gannet. In Hindi, gannet pakshi. Warbler. Children, in English, warbler. In Hindi, warbler pakshi. Tern. Children, in English, tern. In Hindi, tern pakshi. Hoopoes. Children, in English, hoopoes. In Hindi, ghera pakshi. Coot. Children, in English, coot. In Hindi, coot pakshi. Egret. Children, in English, egret. In Hindi, सफेद बगुला. Drongo. Children, in English, drongo. In Hindi, bhangraj. Ostrich. Children, in English, ostrich. In Hindi, शुतुरमुर्ग पक्षी.